So it is there in our syllabus, right? Origin of the atmosphere and structure, composition and structure. First, we have to know the process of atmosphere. Now, which layer, which atmosphere we are living generally? Actually, you know, we are living in tertiary atmosphere. The two atmospheres, previous two atmosphere have gone. Now we are living in third. And now we are modifying that atmosphere. And those who live in that atmosphere, it is called quaternary atmosphere. అంటే 4 సార్లు 3 సార్లు 2 సార్లు ఆల్రెడీ మోడిఫై అయిపోయింది. మూడో థర్డ్, generally we say third generation, fourth generation. Like that we are third atmosphere. We are living in tertiary atmosphere, third atmosphere. And if you modify now and humans get extinct, అంటే అందరు మనుషులందరూ చచ్చిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ డైనోసార్స్ వస్తాయి కదా, that is another atmosphere. Okay, now you see how why these atmospheres came, that we will see. Okay, see here. So can I say we are living in tertiary atmosphere? Tertiary atmosphere. Present atmosphere is tertiary atmosphere. Okay, see, actually IPCC also gave the report. What is IPCC? See, I am telling you simultaneously about the current issues also. Okay, see what the IPCC means, International Panel for Climate Change. So this, they gave a report called as AR5, Assessment Report 5. Okay, in that report they talk about, in the report IPCC views that what they are viewing, recent atmosphere is changing, and the next level of atmosphere will be fourth level, quaternary atmosphere. It will be quaternary atmosphere. That means it is changing. Actually we are living in present, this is a present atmosphere, right? It is a present atmosphere, but what will happen, we are changing it to quaternary atmosphere, where we don't know whether the man can survive or not, we don't know, but we are modifying it through various ways, like increasing the vehicles, pollution, so greenhouse gases have been altered, increasing global warming. So impact of global warming already you have seen, sea level changes, glaciers melting, oceans are moving more, expanding more, land is submerging. So can I say these are the impacts? So we will see, okay, one by one we'll see that later, but we are modifying the atmosphere. Okay, now you see, first of all, what was the first atmosphere was, how the first atmosphere was created. See, can I say the earth was initially a hot molten magma? It was simply hot molten rock which was burning. Okay, which was burning like this. It was a hot molten rock like this, which was burning, right? So can I say it was around 4.6 billion years ago? This is 4 point roughly, we are not exactly, but roughly we are calculating 4.6 billion years ago. Now in that scenario, can I say that when the earth was formed, the planets which were formed, 9 planets, can I say earth is near to the surface of the moon, earth, sun? So can I say that here it is called as inner planet? And what is the features of this inner planet are simply small size. The size was small. Initially the size was very small. Okay, can I say that it was near to the sun? Agree with these 2 points? Sharath, Monica, others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say that how many are engineers? Just me, how many are engineers? Okay, then I'll ask question. Monica, Anirudh, tell me on what factor does the gravity depends? On what factor does the gravity depends? Harsh?
Based on atmospheric conditions,
Mass.
sir.
On the mass of the body.
On the one
Mass.
second. On the masses of body.
Mass of the body.
Yes. Very good. So can I say small size, smaller gravity? Can I say this?
Yes.
Small size, smaller gravity? And near to the sun, can I say it is higher? Can I say higher temperatures? It is near to the sun. Tell me yes, this factor understood? Yes, these two factors understood. So can I say at the time of formation of surface, atmosphere would have been what? See, plus, I'll write it here. At the time of formation, can I say the surface would have been very hot? Surface would have very hot. Tell me yes. Tell me yes or no. Tell me,
Yes.
Anuruddh.
Yes, sir.
So can I
Yes,
say?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I say if this is okay, fine. So can I say if this is a condition in all probability due to these factors combined, all the factors is combined, can I say original atmosphere would have been escaped? Original, whatever atmosphere it was there, original atmosphere. See, all the original atmosphere which was formed, like for the planets like Jupiter, you're riding a horse? No. Okay, just keep it mute. Okay. Can I say that originally atmosphere was like all the planets would have been original atmosphere. So today, why such atmosphere like Earth, it is not there in the Jupiter? Why it is not there? I'll tell you. See, Jupiter is away from the sun, number one. So it is initially cooled down. Number 2 point, can I say that it is very high gravity? Gravity is more, large size gravity is more. So can I say that initial atmosphere which would have been formed, the gravity could not, gravity has holded them. So because of the gravity, they could not escape out into the space. But in the case of Earth, you see, in the case of Jupiter, there was today also it is a poisonous gas. All the atmosphere is composed of poisonous gases like methane. But in the Earth atmosphere, all the poisonous gases have been escaped. Why? Because of these conditions. What was that? Inner planet, smaller the gravity. Okay, the hot. So what happened? Everything was started escaping. So original atmosphere was lost. Would have escaped and lost into the space. Now tell me, is it clear this point? Yes, tell me. This point is clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then my question is here. How come Earth has atmosphere today? How come Earth has atmosphere today? That is the question now. I'll tell you. Actually, what happened? The process of degassing took place. The process of degassing. Here you happen emission of gases during volcanic activity. Happens when what happened initially? Can I say that Earth is molten ball? It was burning ball. Tell me yes. Now what happens? You see, can I say that Earth's outer surface is cooling faster or inner surfaces? Outer surface will be cooling faster. So can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Outer surface.
Right. Outer surface. Right. Outer so heat started escaping out like this. Okay. So when I say that heat started escaping out. Heat escaping. Now, when I say what is this blue now? Can I say it is a crust now? Is it cooled? That means it will be a rock. So it is a crust. So can I say the crust is made up of rocks? Now rocks has one property. What is that? You know, rocks are poor conductor of heat. Rocks are poor conductor of heat. So what will happen? It will not allow. It will not allow the heat from inside escape. So can I say that it is heat? Can I heat now this heat is going to out. Tell me yes now. Understood up to here? As
Sir, voice is breaking, sir.
Sir, can you please?
are you there, all of you? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Tomorrow onwards, we will see that there is no technical issue. Okay. We will see that. So now you see here. Okay, fine. Okay. Here, say that now the whatever the heat which is up will try to come up. So here what will happen? Generally, you know, there will be volcanic eruptions will start. On the surface of the earth, there will be a volcanic eruptions like this. There will be a volcanic eruptions will take place. Can I say this? Yes, tell me. Volcanic eruption starts. Is it clear? Volcanic eruption starts. So what will happen? Can I say from this volcanic eruptions, gases will come out? Gases will come out. Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, these gases are nothing but secondary atmospheric gases. What are that secondary atmospheric gases? This is a process called as degassing phenomena. Degassing. So here, what will happen? You know, most of the scientists, they have believed that the present atmosphere as well as our oceans came into being due to the phenomenon of degassing. So through the process of degassing, so what will happen? You see now, a process of degassing is taking place. See, degassing phenomena. It's called degassing. Through the process of degassing, what happens? Gases emitted here. Gases emitted. What are the gases emitted? Water vapor. Water vapor. How much? 70% was water vapor. Then carbon dioxide, it was 15%. Then your nitrogen, it was around 5%, and other gases remaining percentage. Okay, so total 100. Now this was a gas. So can I say the earth would have been tried to cool down itself through the various processes of volcanism? So these volcanoes would have been leading to process of degassing. Okay, so the formation of secondary atmosphere. So this has led to formation of secondary atmosphere. Secondary atmosphere, right? So this secondary atmosphere would have been composed, but this composition, my next one is how this change in composition accomplished. How it changes. But today's atmosphere is nitrogen highest, oxygen is there, then you have carbon dioxide. But you see which is highest now? Water vapor. Water vapor is highest. Kani manake mundi present law nitrogen and oxygen, which is not there. So now we will, right? How these changes are taking place? Change in composition was accomplished. How changes are accomplished? Okay, so here you see the question is how these changes are accomplished. Now I'll answer this question. Now what will happen? You see, can I say that water vapor which is present? So what will happen over the period of time? This water vapor will go into the atmosphere. So what will happen? You see, the water vapor will go, whatever the water vapor which is present. Can I say that water vapor will go into the atmosphere? So it will create clouds. It will create clouds. Yes, tell me. It will create clouds like this. So clouds envelop entire earth. So there is a clouds here which is enveloping entire earth surfaces like this. Is it clear? So can I say that now all the water vapor has converted to clouds? Tell me yes.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen now? Can I say that there will be a precipitation now? You see, now there will be a precipitation starts. So this precipitation, it is not 1 day, 2 day, 1 year, 2 years, millions of years. At that time, there is no life. So what happened? Huge precipitation occurred for millions of years. Millions of years. Millions of years this precipitation occurred. Now, can I say here, what will happen? Actually, the rising, simply I'll write it here. You see, rise, expansions. You see, simple. Can I say that warm air, if rises, it cools down? Yes. So what happened? Cooling started. Cooling led to formation of clouds. Formation of clouds. So whatever I spoke, I'm writing now. And these clouds have led due to large amount of water vapor huge clouds, cloudiness. cloudiness have been experienced? Would have been. We don't know. It is generally hypothesis. So would have been experienced. Experienced. Yes. So can I say that these clouds, so over a period of time, can I say that these clouds started precipitation? So can I say that this precipitation as it fell on Earth's surface would have been cooled down? Yes, tell me. Earth's surface would have been cooled down. Now faster cooling of the crust takes place. At the same time, Earth's surface would have been formed our present oceans. Present oceans have been formed. Can I say this? Yes, tell me. So oceans have been created now. So land is first, ocean is first. Actually, oceans are first, not the land. Okay, land, it is not the continent. It is an oceans. So because of the rain which has failed down, it started cooling down the crust. Initially, the crust was cooling down, but it is not cooled down as it is today. So water, when you drop water, ఏమవుతుంది ఆ ఏరియా అంతా కూల్ అయిపోతుంది. సో ల్యాండ్ హస్ కూల్ డౌన్. కానీ ఆ ల్యాండ్ మీద ఏమైపోయింది ఇప్పుడు వాటర్ హస్ అక్యుములేటెడ్. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఓషన్స్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? నౌ కెన్ ఐ సే this? You see here, listen carefully. Thus, can I say the present oceans? So thus, can I say this has removed much of water vapor. Now which gas is highest now from the atmosphere? Now tell me which gas is highest after the water vapor. Can I say carbon dioxide only? But still now carbon dioxide is not there. అంటే ఈ present atmosphere లో carbon dioxide అంత లేదు, లేకుంటే మన లైఫ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యేది కాదు. So what happens now? What will happen? You see here, precipitation of carbon dioxide of secondary atmosphere would have been dissolved into and falling as rainwater into rainwater. అంటే కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ కాస్త ఏమైంది ఇప్పుడు దేనిలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది? వాటర్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. It went into the water, oceans. So thus, can I say thus, but still you see oxygen is not added. So thus this carbon dioxide went into oceans. Yes, so I can write it here. It is no wonder that oceans have 60 times more carbon dioxide than atmosphere. Is the point clear? Yes. అంటే 60% మాత్రమే రిమూవ్ అయింది, ఇంకెంత ఉంది? 40% ఉంది కదా అట్మాస్ఫియర్ లో. సో క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ దిస్, బట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ యు సీ still this would still have been larger concentration of carbon dioxide. Now what happened to this carbon dioxide? That is a question. What happens to this carbon dioxide? Then one more question here. How come oxygen became part of our atmosphere? That is also a question. During degassing, oxygen is hardly emitted. No oxygen is emitted, right? During the degassing process. So what would have happened? You see here, the process would have been like this, like through the phenomena of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What would have happened? Can I say to the process of evolution of green plants? Evolution of green plants have been emerged. Pretty green plants ఏం చేస్తాయి? They will added carbon dioxide, oxygen in the atmosphere, and removed whatever the left carbon dioxide from the secondary atmosphere. So thus, what will happen? Can I say, thus atmosphere is greatly modified? Can I say now this? Yes or no? Thus, atmosphere is greatly modified. Now, which atmosphere scientists call them? It is a tertiary. Yes or no? Tertiary atmosphere. Can I say this? Yes or no? Yes, all of you. Anuruddh, Anjanelu, others, is the point clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so which atmosphere? Ask. Doubt? You have doubt? Ask me. No doubts? If you have doubt, you can message me also here. If you are unable to ask, message me. So can I say that you are living in the tertiary atmosphere now? But what the man is doing now, you see here, what the man is doing simply, can I say Anthropocene? Actually, we are living in Anthropocene. Anthropocene means simply it is nothing but recent times on the earth where humans have emerged as the dominant species. So can I say that humans are now modifying the atmosphere? Yes or no? They have caused big changes in the environment. Changes in environment. Yes or no? Can I say this? Yes, tell me or no. Anthropocene, we are living in Anthropocene phenomena. Humans have been emerged as species. God has created all the creatures, above all the creatures. So can I say that because of that, we have dominated the resources? Everyone is talking about sustainable development. Yes, we are